Sir Vin, sorry I'm late. Happy birthday. Sir Vin, sorry I'm late. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, it's the sana basa ang vlogger hero. Ayun, it's the Have Badminton family with Joff. Say hi to the vlog, Joff. And it's the birthday celebration of Sir Beats. Happy birthday, sir!
Thank you, happy birthday.
Ayun, happy birthday. Rad, happy birthday, Rad. Ayun, so kaniang mga some of the people who will be joining this summer games, summer mini games din. So, hello mo. Guys, hello mo. Hello mo sa vlog. Hello. And naay pa medal si Mayor. Ganeng. Amazing.
Pwede mga isa?
So kato guys, we're ready na kumapildi.
Guys, ay nagdula.
Come on, ready na kumadaog. Ready na kumadaog? Ready na sila madaog.
Sige na ako.
Okay.
Picture ako daan.
Ay, picture na daan sa champion. Bot-bot. Fuck, the lady in pink. Ate mo, Lore May. Let's go. Ayun. Hello, say hello. Tura, mga another set of... Hala, dili mo na si ano? Di mo na si EJ. Ay, ano na to, ni protest. Dapat ni protest. Kay na kay na change of player. Super late game. Ay, ano, super late of the ano, no? EJ Pawon mo nakabutang dito as partner. Ala, gani. Ikaw mo butang-butang ato, Gani, kisa man eh. Agoy. Kung namayat man ni si EJ Pawon. Guys, murag na-jay dapat early protest. Ayun.
Protest is
So kato guys. Mag-play na ni. So let's go.
Happy birthday! And unta successful ang event. And enjoy your day.
Kulang? Love you.
I love you, Vince! Kato lang.
Happy birthday, Panyero. God bless, more blessings. Love you.
Okay.
Hi, Sir Vince. Happy birthday. Keep on playing badminton.
Ikaw pag-greet
Happy birthday po, Sir Vince. Thank you so much for Sir Vince, thank you kayo for creating this group. Emotional dyan ko kayo. Thank you. God bless, Sir Vince. Thank you so much. Okay.
Pag-greet EJ Pawon.
Kapoy kay Sir Viday.
Okay, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Wish you all the best. Thank you for the mini tour na choice.
Fresh kayo dito sa video
Ket? Ay, fresh.
Hi, Sir Vince. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and good health and healthy tuhod.
Ikaw mag-greet ka? Charot.
Hello. Happy birthday, Beans. Masa po?
Ayop! Wala pa na human! Dali!
What's up? Happy birthday, Gali.
Erset. Mag-greet na.
Okay na, eh.
Okay na.
Happy birthday kaya, Beans. Ito lang.
Lang?
Ingat always.
Ay, ingat always. Palayos monkey packs.
Love you, mama. Chop, chop.
Happy birthday, Sir Binsoy. More tournament to come.
Mo lang?
Oh, mo lang.
Kapit din yung mga ano, uy.
Sir, happy birthday! More blessings to come po. Mura po to.
Mo lang.
I
Hi, sir. Happy birthday!
Katong kompleto na, please. Katong kompleto na. Raymond.
Sir!
Sir, happy birthday.
Raymond.
Oh, na ako din rin. Greetings na.
Hello, good evening, good morning.
See you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Binsoy.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Okay na? Ano pa? What's up? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Sir Vinsoy. Oh my God. Yeah, happy birthday, Sir Vinsoy. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Sir Binsoy, happy birthday. We love you so much. Oh my God, yeah.
Lord of God.
Mara to.
Murag mo stroke it. Greet, madam.
Hi, Sir Vince. Happy birthday.
Okay, very good. Next. Isa-isa na pati.
Happy birthday, Sir Vinsoy. You're the best.
Kuya Joff, wala pa ka nag-greet.
Happy birthday, Vince. I love you.
O yan na ka, ma'am. Alo, dili ka makutang ka, dapat malabot sa vlog. Pag-greet, uy.
Ay, happy birthday, Vince. Ano man, gigunito naman yung happy birthday, Vince. Anta, di ka magsawa sa mua.
Pag-greet, Ra.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Andito po tayo ngayon. Kasama ko po si Lodi. Si Lodi Wangsuwa.
Thank you for gracing Alexu. It's such an honor.
Ano masasabi mo?
Kali, ano masasabi mo?
Hey!
Ulul!
Pag-greet ni Sir Vince.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po, Sir Vince.
Happy birthday, Sir Vince.
Hello. Hello, my glimmer. Siya si my glimmer. Hi, my glimmer. Nice to meet you in person. Ikaw din si my glimmer.
Anak ng animal. Hindi. Wala ka. Hindi ka talaga pa. Hi, Sir Vin. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Mwah.
Sir Vince,
Pura to?
Mabuhay ka.
mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Congrats everyone for the winner.
Vince.
Usa babi.
Happy birthday, Sir Vince.
Support players. Tina, pamuna ninyo, Tina.
Sir.
Ang mga fresh from Bohol. Pag-greet.
Hi, happy birthday, Sir Vince. More birthdays to come.
And syempre, dili kalimtan ang mga food. Dapat labot sa vlog. Yes. Dapat, ano tanan? Dapat walay laktaw. Yes. What is hab-hab if there is no food? Di ba yan, no? Tawag ko kuya. Kasi mo ingon, pag-greet kay Sir Binsoy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Binsoy!
Say hi to the cam! Hi! Kamusta ang food? Nice one. Kuha ko to. Spectators. Abi pa lang, dili gina-appeal. Happy birthday! Say hep hep! Hep hep! Very good.
Sorry.
Maki and Vanessa. Maki and Vanessa.
Daan na eh. Siyempre. Nice game! We the champions! Congratulations! Mama mo na, guy!
Hi!
Yay! Yay! Congratulations! Okay, pose. Perfect. 15th place series. Thank you, sir. Thank you, self. I'm so proud. Happy birthday, sir. Yay!
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Say hi to the vlog. Congratulations. Yay, congratulations. Yay. Dapat na i-kiss. Kiss.
Ay, madali kami
kiss.
kausap.
Sige na, oy.
Pagkadama.
Ay, wala i-kiss. Kay off ko na ni. Kiss, kiss. Hey! Congratulations. Say hi to the vlog. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, sir!
Congrats. 11th place is 11th place. Yay! Nice one. Congrats. Yay! Congratulations. Ikap na na 10th place. 11th place.
Huwag mo na, tasan mo 10.
Uy, mas taas ako 15. Top 10 it is. Congratulations.
Kami lang lahat ng 10th place.
Say hi to the vlog. Congratulations.
Thank you! Happy birthday, sir!
10th place it is. 9th place. Congratulations. Congrats. Say hi to the vlog. Congratulations. Yay, congratulations.
Guys, kayo kayo sa akin, guys!
7th place.
Nasa camera ka.
Audrey, harap sa camera. Nice one. Congratulations sa mga nakahoka. Wait lang.
Uy, ang Garda Versosa mo kayo, may
Okay lang na as long as a document. Dili, say hi to the vlog. Congratulations.
Thank you.
6th place it is. Congratulations. Hoy, hi mo diri. Hi mo diri.
Hello.
Congratulations. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Congratulations, 4th placer. 3rd placer, Gerald and Lori. Kiss.
Yes!
Patong na 2nd place.
Uy, pag-smile sa muton!
Ay, bato mo rin.
Trip to Cebu, padulong lang. Smile!
Smile!
And champion! Kit and Tiffany!
Yay! Champion! Champion!
Uy, asang!
Huy! Sakag balik! Huy, say hi to the vlog!
Hi! Smile!
Congratulations! Congrats! Ano masasabi mo for the first podium?
Thank you, Habab family, kay first tournament. Naka-medal ko. Pro podium. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sir Vince.
Go!
Happy birthday, Sir Vince. Thank you sa pa-medal. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Deserve mo mabuhay ng mahabang panahon. Thank you.
How was the experience and how is it feels like to be a second placer?
Actually, kapoy kayo, pero salamat kayo kay naka-second place, may naka 1.5. Eh! Thank you, Sir Vince. Happy birthday.
Ikaw!
Ako may speech. Happy birthday, Sir Vince. Thank you so much.
Ug sa vlog ni Mon, suportahin na ninyo kay para di na siya sigig kuan. Sigig basta.
And salamat kayo sa paturno, Sir Vince, and happy birthday. And salamat sa compare, Kati Tiff. Power kayo. Salamat sa mga kalaban. Rematch!
Sa mong mga kalaban na og kay Kit.
Usama.
Salamat kayo sa mong mga kalaban og kay Kit, no, inyong patience.
Happy kayo kay first place. Ikaw, speech, unsay mo ma-feel na ikaw kay ikapila ka?
Sixth place. Wala lang, okay ragi hapon.
Dapat sa paglaban sa
Sige na, sir.
Bing, wish you good health always. I love you.
Wala kiss di ha?